Good morning. Welcome to Planet Mojo. Today's task is back here in the Oak Savanna project, and I'm going to take down 3 trees at a minimum. I'm hoping I can get that little one back there as well, but at least 3 trees. First thing I gotta do is start up the chainsaw and dice this thing up and try to stack it off that way. The next burn is going to be right here, so the tops from these trees that I take down need to end up over there as well, so I can have the pile away from where the burn is. So let me get started. So I got, whoa, I'm okay. This ground is pretty treacherous. Lots of little drop-offs, and it was really slick there for some reason. Anyways, I got all that slash up here and over there, and I got a lane right here, which I'm hoping to drop this walnut into. It's leaning heavily back into the woods, so I'm going to really have to hinge this thing and hope for the best. I'm going to clear out a little bit around the base of it, so I got an escape path. And then we got this one and the other one right there. I hope to drop them all pretty much in the same area. Then I got to top them, and I could put the tops on this old burn. The new burn I want to be here, so, or in front of the stump, anywhere but where it's already been burned. So wherever they drop, I'll have to clear. I'll have to cut some of the trunk so that it leaves me a spot to burn. Okay, here we go. So I'm over here cleaning out around this tree, getting ready to drop it. And I see the saw over there, and I'm thinking to myself, I better go move that saw before I drop this tree. That's why it's better to remain thinking to yourself sometimes. the hinge was pretty much perfect. It went as close to where I wanted it as it could, but the tree was just too twisted up to fall on its own. It wanted to fall back into this, and I definitely didn't want that. Then I would have to pull it out by the butt end like I did that Widowmaker before. But that's beautiful right where it is. Now, this tree and that tree, the next two that are marked right there, I'm going to try to drop them right next to that, and then I will start limbing until it's time to go have lunch. Then I got to get back to the day job. Well, I better get this off first. That was good coffee. Okay, probably the last one for today. This one's leaning real bad uphill, and I need it to come straight towards me here. So hopefully it cooperates. But if it doesn't, there's nothing it can hit. So I'll be all right. I want it to drop on top of that one and then get part of these diced up before it's time to stop. Let's give her a go.